and welcome to the latest edition of Shulini TV News Bulletin. I am Gurudeep, bringing you the top stories from campus this week. Let's take a quick look at the headlines. Hello. Record-breaking induction 2025 energizes the campus. SILP inaugurates state-of-the-art IPR and AI labs. 4 patents filed on Himalayan medicinal plants. National Space Day celebrated with enthusiasm. Now, let's dive into the details. To begin with, Induction 2025 has set new benchmarks this year. Over to Alopa for the full story.
Shulini University witnessed an energetic start to Induction 2025 with record numbers of students joining in packed venues, interactive sessions, and a buzzing campus atmosphere marked the beginning of this year's semester. Despite heavy rains on the first day, students participated with enthusiasm in orientation activities and icebreaker sessions. The induction was aimed to familiarize them with the campus while also encouraging meaningful interaction. Day 2 of the induction was smoother, with students appearing more relaxed and settled. Faculty and staff coordinated multiple sessions across venues to ensure a seamless experience. Alongside formal sessions, students enjoyed food stalls, retail corners, and cultural activities, all organized by senior students. The initiatives created an engaging and welcoming atmosphere across campus. Senior students who acted as buddies guided the newly enrolled students to facilitate a smoother induction program. The scale of Induction 2025 has been unprecedented. Even large spaces like the basketball court were filled beyond capacity. Despite the constraints, the induction retained its energy and inclusivity, ensuring every new student felt involved. A major highlight of this year's induction was the introduction of the Under 25 Summit, conceptualized by the outreach team, executed by students, and supported by Zerodha. The summit included 3 back-to-back sold-out events. Influencers, creators, and artists engaged with students through talks, performances, and interactive sessions, drawing huge response and participation. The CSC Summit featured Manas Arora and Pravit Arora, while musician Love Jayal delivered a memorable performance. The Biotechnology and Liberal Arts Summits followed with creators like Aditya Shukla, Shruti Bakshi, and Jatin Sangri, inspiring audiences with their stories, humor, and music. Sessions focusing on creativity, networking, and youth empowerment, the summit left a strong impression on students, motivating them for their journey ahead. There were also huge response to the Club Mela, where various clubs put up stalls to educate the fresh students about the activities of various clubs. The newly enrolled students showed keen interest and joined the clubs of their choice. The 5 days of induction filled the campus with energy. From packed sessions to cultural showcases, Induction 2025 has been both challenging and rewarding, sure to be setting the stage for an exciting academic year. Back to you, Gurudeep.
Thank you, Alopa. From digital innovation, we now turn to a remarkable blend of tradition and science. Shulini's Dr. Radha has secured 4 patents for Himalayan plant-based health products. Over to Samriti.
Inward experts are calling a milestone for sustainable healthcare. Shulini University has successfully blended science with centuries-old tribal traditions. Dr. Radha, assistant professor at the School of Biological and Environmental Sciences, has filed 4 patents for plant-based health products and eco-friendly extraction methods. These include a nutrient-rich jam made from Bombec sahiba flowers, a ready-to-serve drink draped from extract, and antibacterial solutions from principal utensils with action against drug-resistant strains. Experts say this is the first scientific validation of several Himalayan remedies. Calling her work a breakthrough, Dr. Radha said the research builds scientific evidence to our tradition's knowledge, passed down through the years generation, bridging heritage and modern health solution. Back to you, Gurudeep.
Thank you, Samriti. From Earth to space now. Shulini celebrated National Space Day with great enthusiasm, inspiring students to dream beyond the skies. For this story, we go to Aditya.
Shulini University celebrated National Space Day at the School of Physics and Material Sciences. In the collaboration with astronomy-minded students, the event showcased India's achievements in space exploration. The program began with Dr. Pavan Kumar, Assistant Professor, highlighting the importance of space science, followed by a speech by Uday Singh on why we should study space technology, and a presentation on India's Chandrayaan missions. Ashish Thakur concluded the session with active participation from both faculty and students. The event not only honored India's journey in space, but also inspired students to aim high and pursue research. Back to you, Gurudeep.
Thank you, Aditya. From new beginnings, we now move to innovation. The Shulini Institute of Life Sciences and Business Management has inaugurated 2 advanced labs that promise to prepare students for the future. Vaishali has more.
The Shulini Institute of Life Science and Business Management, Solan, has strengthened its focus on innovation and future-ready education with the inauguration of 2 advanced facilities. The new Intellectual Property Rights Lab, inaugurated by Chancellor Professor Prem Kumar Khosla with Cipro Sport, aims to foster a strong patent culture on campus. Alongside this, SILB has also launched a state-of-the-art artificial intelligence lab equipped with Apple and Dell system, a smart board and a modern setting. The facility is designed to provide hand-on exposure to AI, coding and machine learning. With these initiatives, SILB is nurturing both innovation and digital expertise, empowering students to excel in academic and industrial alike. Back to you, Gurudeep.
Thank you, Vaishali. And now, before we wrap up, let's tune in to Shulini TV RJ Jia, who will give us the latest scoop on the upcoming Radio Shulini shows.
Hi guys, I hope you all are doing really well. I am Jia and I will be briefing you about the shows that you can enjoy on Radio Shulini. These include Badhai Ho Viral Hua Hai by RJ Ansh, Weather Watch by RJ Jia, Dil Se Shulini by RJ Aishani, and Indian Warriors by RJ Kunal. So don't forget to tune into Radio Shulini, Awaaz Wadiyon Ki.
Thank you. That's all for this week's Shulini TV News Bulletin. We hope you stayed informed with the latest news from our campus. Join us next Friday for more updates. Until then, stay informed, stay safe, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, do comment if you want us to add something new to the bulletin. Thank you.